y'all, Kayla Mowdy, Doctor of Physical Therapy here. In lieu of today's educational moment, I have a few announcements. I've taken the last few weeks off. On New Year's Day, I did a little reflecting, looking at last year's goals, writing down new goals, and I actually had a goal that was not met yet, and that was to get my website up and running. So a place where you can go and look through Monday educational videos in an organized fashion. If you remember a topic and can't remember what I said, or have a friend you want to refer to listen to a video, they are now on KaylaMowdyDPT.com. So that is fully up and running. There's a blog or two just to kind of introduce myself for people who don't know me. And then there's Monday educational videos by topic. They're actually on YouTube as well, and that's KaylaMowdyDPT as well as my YouTube handle. Refer other people to watch. I'm starting a new series. You will no longer be seeing me on each Monday, but one of my friends from the health and wellness community. I've got several people lined up so far that are other therapists or other wellness people who help people either exercise or stay fit or just be better versions of themselves. And that all aligns with what I'm trying to do with these videos. So I will be having them have guest posts. So also, if you're interested in being a guest, please private message me. I'll talk about details. We can make sure that whatever topic you want to talk about isn't something that's being duplicated by someone else, and we can get that lined up. So y'all have a wonderful day, and message me if you're interested in being a guest on my Monday educational videos. Bye, y'all.